everyone, this is Lider Rolona. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please click the subscribe button for you to be updated to my next videos and updates. Hi guys! For today's video, our topic was all about the microbial diversity. What is microbial diversity? Microbial diversity includes microorganism distribution in nature and their relationship with each other and other living organisms, their effect to a human being and other animals and plants. They are closely associated with the health and welfare of human beings. Bacteriology. The study of bacteria and the subdivision of microbiology involves the identification, classification, and characterization of bacterial species. The important genera and species of bacteriology. Pseudomonaceae or Pseudomonas fluorescens, the Escherichia or the Escherichia, Halobacteriaceae or the Halobacterium salinarium. Habitat of bacteria. Bacteria widely distributed in salt, in water, or with other biological symbiosis. Human body also has a considerable number of bacteria. It is estimated that the human body and the skin on the total number of bacterial cells is about 10 times the total number of the human cells. Fungus. A fungus is a member of a large group of eukaryotic organisms that includes microorganisms such as yeast and molds. These organisms are classified as a kingdom fungus. Habitat and fungi have a worldwide distributions and grow in a wide range of habitats, including extreme environments such as deserts and areas with high salt concentrations, or ionizing radiation, as well as in deep sea sediments. Most grow in terrestrial environment, though several species live partly or solely in aquatic habitats. Around 100,000 species of fungi have been formally described by taxonomists. The fungal kingdom has been estimated to contain about 1.5 million species. Microbes are everywhere. They live in the streaming hot springs coloring streams. The thermophilic bacteria are found in the warmest places of the earth, staining with color. Some microbes are enemies of the plants. They are called the pathogens. Others are good friends of plants. The nitrogen-fixing bacteria are able to live in the roots of legumes by forming nodules. Many fungi colonize the roots and provide nutrients of water to the plant and in turn to give the safe environment to live. These fungi are called mycorrhizal fungi and the dark septic endophytes. They help to improve the quality of our food. The fact that we cannot see them does not mean that they are not beautiful and essential part of nature. Microorganisms are not seen with the naked eye, but they support the eye of plants and animals. We own microbes, the air we breathe, and the food we eat. For us, microbial diversity is amazing. Microorganisms are very diverse in color, shape, and function. Microbes are very abundant everywhere. Plants are ecosystem made of plant, matter, and microorganisms. Microorganisms are the last frontier of science. Microorganisms and plants co-evolve in the symbiotic system. Agriculture is the largest interface between the human and nature. Microorganisms will survive us.
So why microbial diversity is important? The species diversity allows more varied and flexible response for environmental changes. More diverse microbial communities can better cope with disturbance and stress than can low diversity soils. Diversity indexes can be used to compare and evaluate different sources of microbial products.
Microbial diversity, even of disturbed lands, continues to increase with increasing sampling. While the actual slope of species increment curves may be lower than for undisturbed area, it still remains very high. It is not clear if the reduced diversity of microbes is a factor of these detrimental responses. However, it is clear that if the environmental conditions for free-living microorganisms are present, a high diversity of species and a high density of individual cells will re-establish. Microorganisms represent the richest repertoire in chemistry and molecular diversity in nature, providing basis for ecological processes such as biogeochemical cycles and food chain, as well as maintaining vital relationships among themselves and with superior organisms. The diversity of microorganisms is as vast as it is known. So far, between 0.1 and 10% of microbial species are known, depending on the habitat studied. The diversity of microorganisms is critical to the functioning of the ecosystem because there is the need to maintain ecological processes such as decomposition of organic matter, nutrient cycling, soil aggregation, and controlling pathogens within the ecosystem. The functional diversity is very important in ecological assessment of microorganisms within the ecosystem, mainly because little is known about the relationship between the structural and functional diversity of this microorganism.